Hello guys, it's Help4You from my nerd forum, and I would like to do some tutorials with you about PHP. PHP is standing for Personal Home Page Hypertext Preprocessor. So here's the PHP. So it's actually standing for so the P is for PHP. It's really weird if you look at it like that. But anyway, today I want to show you something about PHP. PHP is some programming language that is used for web development, and the thing is that you can create web shops with PHP and other things. But today I would like you guys to learn something about variables and PHP basics, and next time we will talk about some other things, but I will talk about that later in the video. For now we will just create a PHP page in Notepad++, because I'm using Notepad++. It's really nice, you guys should try it. It's free source, so it's really nice. Maybe you heard something in the background. That's my parents watching Game of Thrones. Don't mind that. I hope you don't get irritated by the sound. But anyway, we will create a file, and we will start with the open PHP tag, and we close it like this. So you open PHP with this tag and close it with this. Then we will save the file to something you like. I call it tutorial_1.php, and then they have red colors, so that's a bit more nice. Anyway, we will need a USB web server or something to run the code. I have my own hosting, so for me it won't be a problem. I will connect to my own website. I will create a new directory called tutorial. Sorry for my bad English anyway, because I'm not from England and I'm really trying to pronounce the things they're supposed to be. Anyway, I created the file. I have to upload it, and there it is. I will open it again and close the local one. The thing is, what we really want is we want to print something or echo something to the screen. So like every tutorial starts with hello world, also my tutorial will start with hello world and with hello universe, because I can. And you hear murdering downstairs. I think they are in season 2, so don't mind them. Maybe there are spoilers when you are a fan. First of PHP, you can echo or print something to the screen. You put something in the screen, like you have a white page. It's looking like this right now. I will show you. Hello world, hello universe, because I already saved it, but when there's nothing there, it just will be a white page. Of course, PHP is often used combined with HTML and CSS, so you can give it some markup, some layout, and make a template for it. So when you have your basic HTML page, you will have body here or something, and inside your body you can use PHP like this. Also, you can do something like, but if you don't know HTML yet, you should try to find my HTML tutorials, which I made 3 of, and there will be more soon. But anyway, so you can use HTML in your PHP, but you can also do something like this. So yes, you can use both. It won't change anything except for the order of placing things. And there is a small difference when you are echoing input form. For example, you should have something like this, but you can't use I don't know how you guys call it, but you should use single quotes instead of double quotes, or how you will call them, because you can use the same quotes. You also can replace them, but I think this is looking better. Anyway, like you see, every coding string will be ended with semicolon. I mean this character. I'm very sure it's called a semicolon, but anyway. So now we are echoing and printing something through the screen. Hello world, hello universe. And of course you can comment so that you know what you have did. The green line is just a command line, and the command line is used to define what you did and just to make clear for others what you have done, so also other people will understand what you have done. And I am really using command lines a lot because it makes your code more, more, I don't know how to say it, more organized, so you can find things a lot easier. So anyway, the thing is that we are just being busy with the PHP, so when you want to combine it with HTML, you really should watch my PHP tutorial, my HTML tutorials. So the next thing I want to show you guys is variables. Variables are things that you no, not things, are yes, I don't know, how did I call it in my tutorial? Just sorry for the waiting time, sorry for the waiting time. Anyway, when I look in here, this should be, I had a nice description of variables. Variable is a symbolic name associated with a value, so that means that the value is often a string or an integer. I don't know how to pronounce it, but you know what I mean. So E, for example, is 1, and string is hello world. Of course, when you combine the echo or print with a variable, then you got something like this. Hello world, because that's what's standing here. When I changed with an expression mark after it, it will change. And you can echo through things at once, so you can say echo string dot so you add another string or integer to the string you want to echo. So he's replacing, not replacing, but placing the variable I after the variable string. Of course, you can also put a string between them, so now there will be something between the variables. Hello world between 1. It makes no sense, that sentence, but nobody cares. So you also can use double quotes. I think they are just called quotes, I don't know. But anyway, something like this, and this was my tutorial for today, and I will make more tutorials, but just that you guys know that next time I want to talk about including pages. So now we have made one page, but I want to make another page, and I want it executed in another page. So when you don't know what I mean, just watch my next tutorial, because that will declare something about the variables. I want to say something about it. When it's an integer, you don't have to put it between quotes, and when it's a string, you have to put it between quotes. Also, when you want to define string as I, you can just do this, because variables don't have to be between quotes either. So just that you know. Next time I want to talk about including pages, and also I want to talk about if and else statements. So this was a long tutorial, I think, and I made a lot of mistakes. Next time I will prepare better, so don't mind it. See you around later.